I'm going to log on and make myself available for dialer calls. As we can see, that person's not going to answer the call, so we're going to move on to the next one.
Hello?
Hello, is that Mr. Rogers?
It is, yeah.
Hi, I'm calling for the Civica Housing Association. We've noticed from our records that your property is overdue for a smoke detector survey. Is it okay to go through that survey now?
No, not really. Could you call back in 2 hours?
Let me arrange that for you. So that's a call back in 2 hours?
Yeah, okay.
Thanks very much, bye.
Right, bye.
Got to remove that document because we haven't completed the survey. And on to the next call.
Hello?
Hi, is that Mr. Small?
It is, yes.
Hi, I'm calling from the Civica Housing Association. We've noticed from our records that your property is overdue for a smoke detector survey. Is it okay to go through that survey now?
Can do, yes.
Do you have any smoke detectors?
I do, yes.
Do you test them weekly and find out if they're working?
I don't.
We do advise that you go through and test these every week. Would you also like to book a visit by one of our safety inspectors?
Yes, if that's okay.
And when would you like to book that for?
The 5th of next month?
Just one moment. So that's the 5th of next month for that appointment.
Okay.
Right, thank you very much for completing that survey. Thanks very much, and speak to you later.
Okay, bye.
Bye.